Do you just want to have both of us go out there and we can just...
I'd say one at a time, because we might have a second one on that fourth phase, so Tal will do the first one with Sissy, and then Al should be second.
You cannot stand against the law.
Have a second one. And I think there's Frog in that second one. Because it's about the same DPS timing, but it's just a different boss, so it's different abilities happening.
Right at home, crawling on your bellies.
Raptors.
Swap.
The wind is my will.
Well, if you're so eager for that, you should have seen me sooner.
Leave it on me, I'll watch myself. Bird soon.
On and Kimball.
Has ended.
The wind is my will.
He's still got a buff on him, by the way.
Frog.
Rend your flesh!
Right. Right. Trade soon. Macerate.
Sooner or later,
The skies belong to us.
break your bones.
Swap.
Yep.
If you get multiple stacks of leap, that we can bop it out.
Run new Kimball. Frog. This one we're in.
Bird soon.
The wind is at our backs.
Bird's done.
Frog here.
Spill your blood! How can so eager for
Paku,
this,
can I have paints
you
up?
should have seen me sooner.
The Raptors quick.
The wind is at our backs.
You will be washed away.
Yeah, Akunda and Hero.
Hero.
Let me swap.
Swapping. Frog is 2 more. 1 more.
You will be washed away.
The skies belong to us.
Bird
Well, if
soon.
you're so
You wanna swap for this one and be out?
you should have seen me sooner.
Okay, taunting.
Purified by lightning.
I'm gonna turtle this
Bird's
because I have
down.
debuff.
Okay. Flash Raptors. You personals, Akunda's dying soon.
Get whacked.
You will be washed away.
Next time.
Kivik instead. Again.
The skies belong to
You have a
us.
res still.
Kivik, Kivik.
Yeah.
Paku. So needs it as well.
Debuff guys. Debuff guys. Need a purge. Okay. We've recovered.
You won't have the turtle strat, by the way.
We can get you up in 20 before it happens.
So eager for that, you should have seen me sooner.
I've got last stand, so I'm blocking everything. I'm doing great.
Bird soon.
Me personally, I've used
The
it on the
wind
spread.
is at our backs.
We're gonna need to cleanse on Varsha and Sean.
We have res up.
Bird's down.
Tal. Care for the frog.
Yep, watch Frog.
Yo.
Stun Raptors. I'm hurting here.
I'll taunt.
Please do.
Raptors quick.
Really only focus Raptors.
You gotta call out earlier,
The
dude.
wind is my will.
Paku needs a dispel.
Sooner
He's
or
down.
later, everybody serves me.
You good?
Yeah.
Cleanse on Varsha
Can
and
take.
Elswar and Val.
Val needs one. I'm like,
The wind is at our back.
Heads up. Last bird. Everything you got here. Any other raid cooldowns left?
I have AM.
Spell?
Watch frog.
First dispel. Good. Stun Raptors. Okay, Raptors. Try to kite them. He has 2 mil health
If you're
left.
so eager for that, you should have seen me sooner.
I'm gonna live long enough with him to kite them and focus him. If the wind.
is my
Cleanse
will.
tanks.
Yep.
I'm down. Go down, maybe.
The cleanse.
Just don't want to let they can cleanse.
And I'm just gonna kite him then.
No, I've got dispelled. I have aggro.
Hope you fare better in death
Big.
than you did in life.
There we go.
Oh, clean, dude.
I need to gear
That was-
like
oh my god.
Druid and Shaman all
Yeah.
healer.
Yeah, without having like a lot of curse dispels, that becomes such a pain in the butt.